Hey, what's up guys? John here. Compass and Redfin, as well as many other brokerages, are starting to issue mass layoffs simply because the housing market's grinding to an absolute halt. And I think that what's going to happen coming very, very soon is we're going to see a couple of really big changes. First change is going to be that home buyers are going to start really shopping for discounted properties through discounted realtors, online iBuying. I think that's all going to be a very, very big growing trend. And I think the time of 6% commissions, 5% commissions really going to start really kind of eroding to zero. And why do I say this? Well, I think what's going to ultimately happen here is I think there's going to be two different types of realtors. One's going to be like a high-end white glove service where, someone spending $1 million plus is going to want to seek counsel of a very smart and savvy advisor. I think people are going to be definitely willing to pay for that for the foreseeable future. But there's many realtors that simply offer very little value, and all they simply do is go on Zillow or go on one of these third-party websites and send you the listings that are easily accessible through you, the buyer. Now, what I think is ultimately going to happen here, I think things are going to change in a really, really big way as this market changes with it. Tech is taking absolutely the market by storm. It's pretty crazy. I was a real estate agent in Beverly Hills for a decade. Represented a lot of big names, CEO of NASCAR. When Elon Musk and his ex-wife got divorced, I was hired as their exclusive agent. I've done a lot of really big deals for a lot of big people. When I say big, I mean very, very, very successful. And what I'm seeing now, this is going to change the entire industry. This was something I was afraid of in like 2019, 2020. Before everything really kind of took place. I always looked at tech, looked at how the MLS and how the power of realtors has really eroded over time. Technology is really stripping away that authority realtors had. And I think it's only going to continue as people start to spend more time in front of their devices. That was my belief a couple of years ago. And because of that, I always said, this isn't a long-term viable solution for me to really achieve my goals. I need to really start diversifying and spreading out my risk because this, I don't think, is going to be it. Take a look at this. Real estate firms, Compass and Redfin, announced layoffs as housing market slows down. Real estate firms Redfin and Compass are laying off workers as mortgage rates rise sharply and home sales drop. In filings with the SEC, Compass announced a 10% cut to its workforce. Redfin's cutting 8%. Shares of both companies fell Tuesday. Redfin stock touched a new 52-week low. Rising rates and overheated home prices, which are now up over 20% from a year ago, according to various surveys, have crushed affordability. Home sales have been dropping for several straight months, and the fall is expected to worsen. I believe what we would probably see over the next 5 years, I would bet 80 to 90% of realtors will be out of a job. That's what I think is going to happen, 80 to 90%. Think about this too. Think about all the people that bought a property over the last 5 years. When they go to sell that property, let's call it an easy $1 million property. They want to go to sell that property, spend 5%, 50 grand. Just off the cut, 50 grand straight to realtors, right? 2.5% goes to the listing agent, 2.5% goes to a buyer. So you're going to spend 25 grand to hire a buyer's agent to then negotiate against your best interest as the home seller, right? This is all changing. This is definitely not going to be something that's going to stick around. And plus, if they bought it for $1 million, they want to sell it for $1 million and say, I'm going to accept a $50,000 loss or a $30,000 loss, trying to just sell the property, they're going to look at every which way that they can save money, simply because they're going to be losing money as the market falls, as interest rates rise. Interest rates rise, what happens? Cost to borrow money increases, and what generally happens with that? Prices fall. Mortgage demand has fallen to its lowest level in 2 decades. Rates have taken off since the start of the year, rising over 3.29% in early January to 6.28%. That's if you have a 700 plus credit score. If you're 698, which is the national average, you're probably closer to 6.6 to 6.8%. Now, according to Mortgage News Daily, rates shot up more than half a percentage point in just 3 days as concerns over inflation in the bond market due to a clear signal of slowing economic growth. We've taken a number of measures to safeguard our business and reduce costs, including pausing expansion efforts and the difficulty decisions to reduce the size of our employee teams by approximately 10%. This is coming from Compass, a spokesperson. The Redfin filing had an attachment from the CEO, Glenn Kelman, who writes a regular blog on his company website. In the blog posted Tuesday, Kelman wrote, with May demand 17% below expectations, that's massive, 17% below expectations. We don't have enough work for our agents and support staff, and fewer sales leave us with less money for headquarter projects. Kelman went on to say that with mortgage rates increasing faster than at any point in history, we could be facing years, not months, of fewer home sales, and Redfin still plans to thrive. If falling from $97 per share to $8 per share doesn't put the company through heck, I don't know what does. Wow. So this is what I think is going to happen. I think we're going to see tech take over real estate. I think we're going to see a lot of sales jobs, mortgage brokers, everything's going to start going online. They're going to streamline this as effectively as they possibly can, right? I think we're going to see a lot more layoffs. We're seeing it with Better.com, Wells Fargo, Bank of America. All the big lenders are issuing layoffs with mortgage brokers. Now we're going to see the same thing across residential real estate brokerages. They're going to start incorporating tech, and we're going to start to see the idea of realtors and mortgage brokers really be modified over the coming few years. What do you think about this entire situation? Are you anticipating a bigger change across real estate agents and mortgage brokers in America over the next couple of years from now until 2025? Drop it below. Let's talk about it. Subscribe. Or else subscribe to my second YouTube channel. It's going to be an interactive show and a podcast coming up this upcoming week. LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok up in the banner. And if you want to learn about real estate, you want to get involved on YouTube, start a YouTube channel, build out an online brand or an online business, cashnow.video. You need help with your credit score, cashnow.video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.